Switching to an electric vehicle doesn't mean adding complexity. It means simplifying your drive. From low-maintenance ownership to easy, intuitive charging at home or on the road, EVs are designed to work around your life. See how effortless it can be to keep an electric vehicle powered up and ready to go.
We're here in the Central Valley making a difference. Every single vehicle here is a clean energy vehicle, a vehicle that makes a difference in our community.
This is the Equinox. It has Google Maps. If you're driving around and you're looking for a charging station, push the button. It will tell you what's the closest station and how many stations are available. This is a great option as a commuter because you can go to work anywhere in the Bay Area and come back without any stress. Get home, plug it in, program it to charge at 9 o'clock. When you wake up in the morning, you're ready to go.
And I'm here in Bayview Hunters Point with the 2025 Prius XSE plug-in hybrid. I really like the plug-in hybrid option because I can plug it in a regular outlet at home, no upgrades needed, and it'll give me about 40 miles of all-electric range. And then for longer trips, it'll switch over to gas for 550 to 600 mile range. It's great, it's convenient, it's affordable, especially for commuting between the Bay Area and the Central Valley.
There's a kind of touch-up button, and this is the newer port. It's just a Tesla charger. You can charge it anywhere you want. You can use it for fast charging too, so it can be quick charging if you go to a longer distance. So you can put it for 18 minutes and it will give you 80% charge. So it's gonna be quick go.
You know, mostly people don't drive more than 100 miles a day. You can go to Los Angeles on one charge. The number one hurdle is how am I going to charge my vehicle on a daily basis?
We are extremely excited about the growth of electric vehicles and EV infrastructure. Our members build that out to support charging of everything from small cars to large buses and long-haul trucks.
One of the biggest advantages of getting an electric car is there's no oil changes. There's no smog in the car. You can drive this car for 7 or 8 years. All you have to do is rotate the tires, get new tires. If you're a commuter like myself, sometimes we have to change the oil every 6 weeks. So that's a lot of money that you're saving over the years.
So it has less moving parts, so it means less friction, so there's no lubrication and no other stuff like that.
Yes, and with 2 years of free maintenance through Toyota on your EV, it's very low maintenance cost to you.
So if you're ready for an eco upgrade, let us know.